Good morning. Sorry for the noise. I'm getting ready to clean my cat's water dish out. I thought I'd let y'all join me in doing this. So loud. The disruption of the peace. Anyway, I thought it'd be fun if I put y'all in a jar while I clean my water out so I can spray water on y'all. That is, if it works. I don't know if I can get this in here, but we'll find out right now. I'm gonna try it. Let's see. I'll just take a little seat right here. Ugh. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn you off before putting it in. Yay! I did it. All right. Now I just gotta make sure you don't fall over. Okay, don't fall over. Don't fall over. So I think I gotta put some paper napkins right there. Okay, so here's Okay, so this is what I'm gonna try.
What?
House of Home, gluten free. I've heard good things about this. Sorta. Just I don't know how to fix it. I'm kind of nervous. Oh, here's a recipe. It has a recipe on the back. But I don't know. I'm just gonna put butter on it and some spices, herbs, and try it like spaghetti. All right, let me get this going. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go. One-handed. Woo! All right, so good. All right, this part's a little harder. Woo! Okay. I guess I drain it and then microwave it is what I want to try. Okay. Okay, so here it is. It's just like, you know, vegetable. Innards or whatever. It tastes like vegetable. What does it taste like? Squash, kind of? I'm not sure. Heart of palm. Has no real major flavor. I'm gonna add Italian seasoning, garlic, pepper, and some smoked paprika. I bet that'll make it taste wonderful. I hope. There, that looks better. Spices, butter, and Parmesan cheese. And I poked myself. See? Just kidding. It was from that Sharpie. I tricked you. I tricked you. Huh? The heart of palm was really good. And I found out it's palm tree. You're eating the insides of a palm tree. Which actually has really good benefits. I was like, that's awesome. Because it tasted fine. It probably tastes really good with spaghetti sauce. But I'm fine. And it wasn't very overfilling either. So it was like you felt satisfied, but you weren't bloated and full. Like that's one thing I have an issue with is getting all bloated. I hate getting bloated. But it helped. It really did. I mean, not helped, but it didn't make me bloat. But you gotta see Ben. He's like, ooh. Sound asleep. And Kevin. What are you doing? So cute. It's like nap time around here. It's so peaceful. But I'm about to go get ready for work. 2 to probably 9:30, 8:30, 7:30. I don't know, something like that. I'll decide when I get there. No, not decide, but I'll see when I get there. So I'm heading there now. I got something in my tooth again. Something about when I get on the camera, stuff gets in my teeth. Gotta learn to hold this back farther. So yeah, that's what's happening now, and then I'll be home. Oh, I gotta experiment. I've got an experiment to try when I get home. I need apples and bananas. We're empty. Okay. Oh, actually, no, forget that. I want to open this baby. Yeah. And I'm downloading a video, which is taking forever. Oh, I'm hanging out. Okay. Bye. I'm home. Let's see what Carrie's working on. Ooh, I like the dark doorknob. Our doorknob broke. So we got a new one. And this is a cupcake I got from work. And I gave it to Carrie and Mama. This is red velvet. And Mama has like a triple chocolate cupcake.
Oh my gosh, Donna's gonna have a fit.
I know. We're in the process of fixing it.
You go let Crazy Dog in here?
I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
My baby.
And real quick, here's Mama's triple chocolate. Boy. I'm gonna go get my pajamas on now. The best bars ever. This is my favorite flavor. My next favorite is probably the donut one, followed by the cake, followed by the dark chocolate, sea salt, whatever. But these are the best. I love these bars. I wish they weren't so expensive though. $7.99 for a box. I was like, ugh, it hurts. $7.99. Well, it's $2 a bar. But, I wish I could have like an infinite supply of 1 bars coming to my house. A subscription. I would love that. Every week I get a box. And it could be a different box too. I think I have an addiction. I must put something in those things. Same with the G Butter. Oh, I want G Butter. Okay, so I'll get ready to go to bed. It's like 12:30. And 12:30 was kind of weird. The last time I showed y'all the clock, it was 12:28. Right now, 12:27. Better go to bed earlier. But tomorrow, oh, there it is, 12:28. Weird. Tomorrow I go to work at 2 again, off at 7:30 like tonight. Something on my arm. I'll try to do this experiment, which I think I'll do. It's really neat. It's very simple, but I'll do an experiment tomorrow for sure. And maybe make a cake. A mug cake again. Gotta try to figure out how to make these things. Oy. Okay, well, I'm gonna go and just get ready for bed, and then you'll see me in my room doing some more Who Knew. Yay! Okay, who's ready for a couple pages of Who Knew? Okay, here we go. Okay, let's do 2. In terms of area, Juneau, Alaska is the largest city in the United States. Yet it can only be reached by boat or plane. I knew that. I wanted to live in Juneau, Alaska when I was little because I watched Balto, and that took place in Juneau, Alaska. No, I didn't. That was Nome. Forget I said that. Juneau, I knew it was the capital. Nome, Alaska is where I wanted to live when I was little. Balto. Okay. Excuse me. There is a regulation-sized half-court on which employees can play basketball inside the Matterhorn in Disneyland. I actually knew about that. Because Disney and anything Disney is amazing. Okay, well, I am going to go on to bed now. It was a great day today, and I look forward to tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be a wonderful day. And I hope you had a great day, and I hope you have a good day tomorrow. It's going to be Saturday. It's Saturday. Hey, 99 and a ha-cha-cha. Alright, well, good night. See y'all tomorrow. And with that said, good night, and don't forget the key.